Is she coughing anything up?
Hmm.
Put the fan away from. Oh, that's.
Good planet. That's Michael.
No, don't you remember when we stayed at the JM Suite? That's 504.
It's here. 504. Love, love.
You didn't listen to me.
Sabi niyo 504. 509 pala. Na Frank. 7. 509. Hello. 509.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
Okay.
Oh. There we go. Well, that's simple.
Insert room key. Here. There you go. Ooh, nagbukas na lahat. Yun, pag lagay mo pala siya dyan, bubukas lahat ng ilaw. Yan. Pati aircon.
You did nothing special.
So, ganito siya. Itsura niya. Okay. Room tour. Mirror. Hair dryer. Fan. Aircon. TV. And the bed. Meron table dito. One night lang kami dito. Wala pong 24 hours. Kaya lang, ang problema dito ngayon, we don't have a fridge for Michael insulin. May pa side table. Yan. Tapos, merong big mirror. The view is here. Yan ang view. Malapit lang dito yung SNR, tsaka SM Mall of Asia. Lakad lang. Yan. Meron ditong hangers.
Okay. I'm gonna head downstairs. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave the key with you so you have the AC.
Okay,
So
this is the toilet.
Answer the door when I knock.
Okay. Toilet. Soap. Flush, bidet. Tissue. Okay. Whoop. Okay. Okay. That's the shower. There's no hot and cold shower. Oh, there is. Hot and cold shower. Yan. There's a shampoo. Shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. And that's it. And that's me. Nakamasa ko kasi sinisipon ako. Malala ang aking sipon. Pero malapit na siyang matapos. I think that's the internet. I don't think so. That's the internet. Okay. Okay. Smoking is strictly prohibited. Violation of the pass will be subject to fine up to 5,000 pesos. And this is the key. Guys, andito na kami sa aming hotel. Dumating kami dito mga 4 p.m. And maliit lang tong room na to kasi ito ay ganito lang siya. Oh. Queen size bed. Is this queen size bed?
It's an extended double. It's not
parang malaking double size bed. Parang ganon. So wala siyang fridge, wala siyang ref. Ngayon, ang ginawa namin sa insulin ni Michael ay pinalagay namin sa ref sa hotel na nakiusap kami kung pwedeng ilagay doon yung insulin ni Michael kasi kailangan yun nasa ref. Kailangan yun malamig. So, baka kasi masira kapag mamaya kasi lalabas kami para mag-dinner. So, mamamatay kasi yung aircon ng room. So, yun, doon namin, so pumayag naman sila na doon iiwanan. So wala siyang ref. So ang biniharan ni Michael dito ay 1,400. Actually, less than one day lang kami. Kasi bukas ng 6 a.m., mga 5:30 ay pupunta na yan si Michael. Pupunta na kami ng airport. Ihatid ko siya sa airport. Tapos paghatid ko sa kanya ay uuwi na ako. Kasi ay si Michael lang yung magta-travel papuntang Thailand. Like 3 days lang siya doon. Tapos babalik ulit. Kasi ay naiwan kay Casey ay yung nanay ko, tsaka si Auntie Aida. So, dalawa sila nandun. So, sila yung mag-aalaga kay Casey ngayon, magpapakain. And yun, so bukas uwi din naman ako. Tapos, babalik na lang ulit ako dito sa Wednesday para sunduin si Michael kasi darating si Michael ng Wednesday ng hapon, like 4 p.m. So yun, so matutulog lang talaga kami dito, literal, matutulog lang, tapos bukas na umaga ay aalis din, mag-check out din. So yun. So kaya okay na to, sabi ko wag na siyang kumuha ng mamahalin na na hotel, na room, kasi nga ay sayang kasi, tapos ilang oras lang, tutulugan lang naman talaga namin eh. So maya-maya lalabas kami para mag-dinner, so pagbalik, tutulog na, ganun lang. So walang and yung Red Planet na to ay walking distance lang siya sa SM Mall of Asia, like 20 minutes. And katabi niya lang yung 7-Eleven, as in katabi lang, sa isang building lang. 7-Eleven, tapos meron din Jollibee, isang building lang din. So walking distance lang. Tapos yung sa lakad lang, sa tapat lang ay SNR. So ang lapit lang ng SNR, nandyan lang. So accessible siya lahat. And yun, so, kung ayaw nyo maglakad, grab car. Gumagana ng grab car. So, yun, mag-book kayo ng sasakyan. So, yun, tapos, yung kanilang aircon ay wala siyang remote. So, hindi mo siya ma-adjust. So, pagdating namin dito, naka-17 siya. So, sobrang anlamig. So, bumaba si Michael. And wala siyang telepono. So, walang access para sa operator. I mean, para sa information. Kailangan bumaba ka doon. So, bumaba si Michael. And ayun, so pina-adjust namin. Yung pala automatic siya. Kailangan sasabihin mo siya sa information na gusto mong, kasi pinalagay namin siya sa 21. Kasi naka 17 siya kanina pagdating namin. And sobrang lamig. And yun, automatic siya nag-a-adjust. Naging 21 na siya. So, ganun pala yun. Sila yung nag-a-adjust. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-adjust kasi ay wala siyang remote dito. And yun, so na-book ni Michael to sa, how did you book this hotel, lab?
Booking.com.
Yun, sa booking.com. And ang pangalan ng hotel na to ay Red Planet. Ayan, Red Planet. Ayan. So, isa to sa hotel na to na pinagpilian ng Michael na may pinakamurang hotel. Actually, yung tapat nito ay Sogo Hotel. Sabi ko mag-Sogo Hotel na lang tayo, hindi na kailangan mag-booking yan, dire-diretso ka na lang. And ayaw ni Michael lang ganun kasi what if daw kung walang bakante. So, yun. So, mas gusto niya pa rin yung mag-book para at least secured na meron ng hotel na pupuntahan. Alam mo yun, ayaw niya yung maghahanap ka pa. So yun, galing kami ng Robinson kanina, pagkadating namin, pagbaba namin ng bus, dumiretso kami ng Pedro Hill sa Robinson, kasi nga ay, chinek namin yung sa bank card ni Michael, kasi trinay namin siya sa BDO last day sa SM San Fernando. As in 3 times, ayaw niyang gumana. As in, hindi makapag-withdraw si Michael. So, ngayon, trinay ulit namin. Sabi kasi nung mga friend niya na itry daw sa ibang bank. Baka si BDO daw ayaw tanggapin talaga. So, trinay namin kanina sa Robinson, sa may PS Bank. Yun, nakapag-withdraw siya. So, ibig sabihin, pag gumana yun, sa ATM dito, gagana siya doon sa Thailand. So, pwede niyang magamit yung kanyang, ATM card doon sa Thailand. Kasi yun, kasi ang, iniisip niya, paano niyang gagawin. Kasi yung, halimbawa, pag may gusto siyang bilhin sa pharmacy, o kaya sa grocery store, or magwe-withdraw siya ng pera i-withdraw niya yung pera ng Thailand. So, gusto niya gawin through ATM machine. So, yun. So, ngayon, nalaman namin na gumagana na siya. Kasi, wala kasi kami mahanapan ng yung nagbibigay, from peso to dollar, yung bibigyan ka ng US dollar, wala. Akala ko si BDO nagbibigay ng ganun, hindi pala. Hindi daw pwede, bihira ka daw makakita ng ganun na from peso, gusto mong bumili ng US dollar, ay bihira ka daw makakita ng ganun. Kaya sabi ni Michael, sige, ATM machine na lang yung gagamitin niya, yung kanyang card na lang. So, card-to-card transaction na lang. So, yun. See you and say hi! Hi to the guys.
Hi to the guys.
Busy siya. Kasi late na siya sa kanyang ginagawang online game. late na. So, yun. So, itong aming hotel for today. So, yun, pinaka number 1 lang naman dito. Ang importante kay Michael, yung hot and cold shower. Kasi gusto niya mag-shower bago siya mag-flight. Bukas, bago siya umalis, or actually mamayang gabi, ay gusto niya mag-shower ng hot and cold. Kasi sobrang miss na miss niya na raw yung makapag-shower siya ng, yung hot and cold. Yung hot water. Yun. So, yun, mag-shower siya. And actually, nag-request na siya ng, ng upuan sa information. So, binigyan naman siya ng upuan. Kasi pag nag-shower yan, nakaupo siya sa upuan. So, yun. Kasi, nga siya, PWD. I mean, prosthetic leg. So, tatanggalin niya yung, prosthetic niya para makapag-shower. So, yun guys, yung update sa atin. Si Michael. Later. Tapos, ito yung outside view. Ayan. Ayan, SNR. Ayan. At yung yan, SM Mall of Asia. Uy. Sogo Hotel. Oh, there's a train station. Ito, Redemptory Station pala to. LRT station. Pwede pala ako dyan sumakay. Papuntang Monumento. Mas mura. Tapos ito, 7-Eleven. It's 7-Eleven. It's BPI.
Wow. Level concrete.
Uncle John. Another 7-Eleven. But it's Uncle John. Mayroong Gcash. That's our ramen kurudon. It's a restaurant. SNR.
We live close enough. We could do day trips or like overnight trips.
Yeah.
We just have to figure out Casey.
Oh, it's a Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
And that's Jollibee, Malapit lang yung Jollibee. Katabi lang ng building yung Jollibee. Hey, there's no stoplight? No stoplight. Oop! What you doing?
I'm walking. I'm walking. Can't you see? We can sit.
Oh, ito, DFA to. Yung kuhaan ng passport. Tapos yung hotel namin nandun lang. Nalala ko na, kapitbahay niya lang pala Yasinor. Tapos may McDonald's dyan. Ayan, McDonald's. Yeah, DFA Asiana, ito. Nalala ko na siya. Go. Burrito. That's Michael. Wala silang Coke Zero, kaya mineral lang kay Michael. today is the day, February 16, and iiwan na ako ni Michael. So, ayan. So, pumunta na kami ng airport. Time check, 5:30 a.m. And yan, ready na siya. So, actually, maaga pa, pero kailangan niyang maaga sa airport. Alam niyo naman, mabagal kasi siya, and gusto niya matapos ng maaga. Hey! Gusto niya matapos ng maaga yung kanyang mga papers sa immigration. Yun. So, goodbye. Thank you, Red Planet. And ang bad side. The bad side. What's the bad side of this Red Planet?
Well, for Americans, basically, it's a $22 hotel, $22 a night, $22. So, I mean, you get what you pay for. But there's no refrigerator. The controls are minimal at best. But hey, it was a clean bed. It was a clean pillow. It's close to the airport. It's close to the Mall of America. So, for those who literally just need a room to lay down on for 6 to 7 hours, it served its purpose.
Yeah, so the bad side, ako na magsasabi. Kasi yung aircon, wala silang control. As in, nakakontrol talaga dun sa information. Sasabihin mo sa kanila, you need to inform them. Kasi sobrang lamig. It's very, very cold. Right now, Michael is freezing. So, it's 21 actually. So, it's early morning. So, he wants to turn off the AC, but he can't. So we're just gonna step out. Okay. See you in a little bit.
Baby, no.
Bye-bye. Beans. Subway. Kenny Roger. That's a real world. That's the Jollibee. Iwan na ako ni Michael. Michael. Airport. And C. AirAsia yung airline ni Michael, so dun siya sa C. That's counter C. Okay, that's the immigration. Bye-bye, take care, okay? See you in the beach.
I'll see you on Wednesday.
Okay, be careful.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye. Take care, okay?
I'll be back.
Mind all your stuff.
What?
Mind all your stuff. Your passport.
I love you.
The mango sticky rice.
Yeah, sticky
I love
rice.
you too. Bye.
Lumayo kami dito ako. Mainit yan ma. Ay, nagpapaaraw talaga ako.
This is the room, Angel. I got the fridge for the insulin. Towels are there. I've already made a bit of a mess. I got to clean it. I'll clean up a little bit, but I just wanted to get stuff, some fresh clothes. This is the bed. A couple of chairs. Got closet space. Probably won't use it. And this is the bathroom. And they did bring me a chair to sit in to be able to shower. So nothing fancy. Unfancy, but it was cheap. I got someplace to sleep. The bed's hard. It sucks, but nothing to do about it now. So there's a TV, but I haven't tried using it yet. This is it. So.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Just me and Casey. Just me and Casey here. Good morning. Love you. Welcome back. Kisses.
500 baht.
How much is that?
That's about 750 pesos.
Okay.
This is 100 baht.
100 baht.
And
Okay.
that's about 200 pesos.
Okay.
And these are each 20 baht,
20.
and they're worth about 50 pesos.
Okay, we're gonna try to exchange that here in the video. There's a video here.
We're gonna get a terrible exchange, but it's not doing us any good at all, so we might as well share it. Pesos and the rest
There's
are
peso. That's
almost all of it's pesos. There's only like 3 coins that are baht.
That's baht. That's baht. That is baht. This peso. That's peso. All peso.
Yeah.
How's your vacation?
Expensive.
Expensive. Oh, that's sad. Expensive. So you're here now in the Philippines then. I don't know about dinner first meal here in the Philippines. First meal.
She's trying to get ratings.
Subway, always Subway. So we have.
Let's be true. It's the first Subway we've eaten at the airport in
Yeah.
the Philippines.
Okay.
But we had Subway before at SM Pampanga Mall.
Yeah. Okay. What is that? Veggie. Mine. Look, they have like that. It's pretty. This is Happy in Hotel. Yan, ito yung Happy in Hotel. No smoking. Window, no door. It's okay. AC is on. No fridge, so Michael just came back. Yeah, there's a power cord, power socket, and trash bin. And there's a window here. And that's the mall. I mean, the mall is nearby and 7-Eleven. Like SM North EDSA and Landmark, 7-Eleven, Uncle John. Yeah, they have a 2+ here. Okay. How much is this hotel?
It was American money after taxes, 41 USD a night.
Peso.
So about 2,000 pesos.
2,000. Okay. We're staying here for
1 night.
1 night. Tomorrow we're going home. Guys, ang pasalubong ni Michael from Thailand. Ayan. So busy siya. Naglalaro siya ng game. So ito yun. Dala-dala niya. Let's see. Let's open an eco bag. Eco bag ng Thailand. Ang ganda siya pampalengke. Meron tayong chips. What is this? Squid flavor. Tapos yan. Ang gara naman na nila, no?
The tour guide said those were very popular.
Wheat and tapioca snack. Ano daw to? Sikat daw to na snacks. So, tatry natin to pag nakauwi na kami sa bahay. Para meron akong katulong na kumain. Nandun kasi sila nanay. So, yan. Tapos, meron dito, what is this? Mango. Crispy mango. Made from real fruit. Gluten-free. No sugar added. Yeah. Dalawa. Oh, this one is crispy banana. Nice. Thank you. Crispy banana. Gluten-free. Fat-free. Made from real fruit. What is this? Dehydrated mango. Ooh. Looks yummy. Next. Meron tayong magnet. Yun na. May nakalagay na Thailand. One, ayun na. Dinidikit sa sa fridge. Yan. 3. Thailand. Tig-isa kami. Sa nanay ko. Kay ating Aida. Yeah, I love Thailand. Panglagay sa ref din. Tapos, wow! My favorite! Look! Locker? Favorite ko to. It's my favorite. Remember? How much is this? There. I keep telling you that here in the grocery store here in the Philippines, it's only like 50 or something.
They sell that here?
Yes! I'm telling you that I like that. And now you bought it from Thailand, it's more expensive. Yeah, we have that here. Alpine milk.
Oh, I'm sorry.
How much is that?
It was about
70, 100?
No, it wasn't that much. It was like 25 baht, so 40 pesos.
40 pesos. Are you sure? Okay, and this one. Oh, I still have one here. Wait. We have that here. Yan chocolate. Yeah, in our grocery store. Sabi niya, puro daw noodles yung sulat. Hindi niya maintindihan. Yan. Tapos ito, Garrett popcorn shop. Popcorn. What flavor? Just sugar popcorn. Nice.
Caramel and peanuts.
It's from America. From the United States of America. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. I like this eco bag too. Turtle items. Yeah, maganda siya pang palengke. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Ang resibo, guys. So, Garrett popcorn shop. Small macadamia caramel. 8,295. How much is that? Customer paid cash. 1,000 baht? Ah, okay. B. That's B, huh? Baht. So, you paid the 1,000 baht.
No, I didn't pay 1,000 baht. I gave him 1,000.
You gave 1,000 baht and you paid 295.
Yeah.
Oh, how much is that?
295 baht.
They have total taxes collected, 19.30.
295 baht, or basically 300 baht. That's close to about 500 pesos.
500 pesos. Just this one?
Yeah, that's a small size.
Yeah, because it's from America, probably. That's why. That's why it's expensive. 500 peso. Yeah. Hi guys! Gusto ko na i-share yung aming experience sa Terminal 3. So, Terminal 3, arrival at saka departure ay iisang airport lang siya. So, sa departure ay nasa second floor siya. So, sa second floor, tapos, ang arrival naman nasa baba. Nasa may first floor lang. So, sa arrival, international, at saka si domestic ay magkatabi lang. So, doon ka lang siya na, napagtanto, na magkatabi lang pala yun. So, sa international, I think pinagsama na nila ngayon. Kasi dati pa nga mag-iba yun eh. So, si Terminal 3, ay meron siyang mga restaurant sa taas, nasa third floor lang. Halimbawa, kararating mo lang, gusto mong kumain. So, pumunta ka lang, meron doon mga escalator, aakyat ka lang doon sa third floor. Actually, kung galing ka ng international arrival sa Terminal 3, sa baba, kabilaan, sa kaliwa ay nandun si Burger King. Meron doon. Tapos sa kanan naman ay nandun si Wendy's. Tapos, arrival, halimbawa, meron kang dalang pera galing sa bansang pinanggalingan mo, ipapalit mo na doon para hindi ka na mahirapan maghanap. Kasi mahirapan ka maghanap kapag inuwi mo pa yan and iilan lang yung tumatanggap. Lalo kung galing ka ng Middle East. Yon, and sa ibang Asian country, mahirapan kang ipapalit yan. So, might as well ipapalit mo na doon sa airport. And meron doon BDO, as in, karamihan nagpapapalit doon sa BDO. So, as in, mahaba talaga yung pila. Kasi sila lang yung merong, medyo mataas na palitan. And meron doon Philtrust Bank, meron PNB, Philippine National Bank, and meron din silang money changer. Marami money changer doon. And kung gusto mo mag-charge, lobat yung cellphone mo, meron doon kaya lang nag-iisa lang. As in, maramihan, tabi-tabi. I mean, isang booth lang siya. And maraming nakapila. So, kailangan mo magantay. Kung kailangan mong mag-charge, lobat yung cellphone mo, mag-aantay ka. So, antayin mo kung merong umalis. Kasi ganun yung ginawa ko. As in, punuan. As in. So, yun. So, tabi lang yun siya ng, non-toilet sa CR, sa arrival area, tsaka sa may domestic. Nasa gitna siya. Tapos, kapag halimbawa, wala kang, kasi dati nasa labas lang yung mga taxi, nakakalat, sobrang traffic doon, 'di ba, sa labas ng airport. Ngayon inilipat na nila yung mga, halimbawa, meron kang app. Kung wala ka pang app na Grab, mag-download ka na ng Grab app para magbo-book ka na lang kung saan ka pauwi. Tapos kapag nakapagpa-book ka na, nasa lang 'yun, nasa first floor lang 'yun, nasa kanan mo. Nasa kanan mo, yung dating parking lot yata yun. So, nandun yung pick-up. Nandun ang pick-up ng Grab car. Actually, kung wala ka, hindi ka marunong, malapit lang din doon, meron namang sign, makikita mo na Grab, sila yung magbubook para sa'yo. So, magtanong ka lang, lumapit ka lang doon sa kanila. Actually, meron pang, katabi nun, ay merong super taxi, and merong joyride. I think yung joyride ay nasa labas. So, lumapit ka lang doon, magtanong ka, and ibubuk ka nila ng sasakyan kung saan ka papunta. So, nandun na yung waiting area sa, parang basement. So, by numbering naman yon. So, i-message mo lang kung na-book ka na, i-message mo lang yung driver ng sasakyan mo kung anong number ka mag-aantay. Parang ganon. So, after nun, halimbawa, dumating ka from long flight, international, nagugutom ka. So, nasa first floor ka, meron pang shops, sobrang dami, nakainan nasa third floor. So, merong escalator, merong elevator. So, kung kinakabahan ka na baka mawala ka or maligaw ka, I suggest na gumamit ka na lang ng escalator. So, sa third floor lang yon. Kasi yung gitna, yung second floor ay departure area yon. So, punta ka sa third floor, ikutin mo lang yung buong third floor, marami doon mga shops na pwede mong pagkainan. So, meron doon McDonald's, Subway, meron din CR doon, and meron din free water doon. Kung may dala kang bote, sa tabi lang yun ng CR. I mean, nasa labas. So, pwede kang mag-refill ng tubig doon, libre yun. So, pwede ka na makainom ng tubig. And then, meron doon Uncle John, para siyang 7-Eleven. So, mabibili mo din doon kung anong gusto mong bilhin. And merong Kenny Rogers, Subway, Jollibee, Wendy's, basta iba-ibang shop pa. So, ikutin mo lang doon, nandun lahat. So, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas ng airport. So, pag nagutom ka, kumain ka muna doon. Tapos, yun, mag-book ka naman ng sasakyan mo pa uwi. So, doon din, makakahanap ka din. Tapos, meron sila doon tinatawag na storage area. Kung halimbawa, meron kang ipapaiwan, pwede doon. Tatanong ka lang, I think nasa baba lang yun ng escalator. And then, halimbawa, gusto mong mag-drive, marunong ka mag-drive, gusto mong magrenta ng sasakyan, meron din doon. Tatanong ka lang, meron din nakalagay na rent a car. So, yun lang. So, yun lang. I mean, happy ako na may share ko to sa inyo para sa mga first time ko din kasi may experience yung buong Terminal 3 na meron pala doon lahat. So, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas or hindi mo kailangan kabahan, magtanong ka lang doon. So, iisa na lang pala siya ngayon kasi dati hiwa-hiwalay yun. So, kapag halimbawa meron kang susunduin, papasok ka lang, pwede kang pumasok. So, pwede ka tumambay doon sa Jollibee, doon mo siya antayin, maraming mga upuan, pwede kang doon mag-antay sa loob ng airport. Ayan, so, yun lang. Happy to share this information. Thank you for watching. Guys, for today's vlog, ayan. So, today ay, pupunta kami ng, andito kami ngayon sa hotel. Check-in kami dito, 1 night lang. So, bago kami umuwi, ay dadaan kami doon sa hospital ni Michael, kasi sa St. Luke's. And, nakapagpabook na ako nung kahapon, nagpabook ako, binook ko si Michael kasi like appointment. Kasi kailangan ng appointment bago ka pumunta doon. So, ginawa ko na siya kahapon. And ayun, so bago kami umuwi ng Pampanga ay pupunta kami ng doctor sa wound specialist kasi nga ay merong sugat si Michael na nag-form sa kanyang, yung pinutulan ng paa niya. So, actually, hindi na siya totally nasugat kasi hindi naman siya nagdudugo. I mean, butas lang. Nagkaroon siya ng butas, tapos may lumalabas na parang liquid. Hindi siya liquid. So, sabi ng doktor niya ay daw yun, katas daw yun ng galing sa buto niya. So, ngayon, ay bago siya magpa-surgery doon, gusto niya kumuha ng second opinion dito sa St. Luke's. So, yun yung pupuntahan namin ngayon. Gusto niya lang i-confirm kung tama ba yung sinasabi ng doctor na yun doon na kailangan i-surgery siya. So, yun. So, yun yung, pupuntahan namin ngayon. So, sa afternoon, actually, yung appointment niya ay 2 p.m. pa. So, afternoon ay uwi na kami. Uwi na kami ng Pampanga. Yun. Yan. So, by the way, nandito kami sa may Hop-In Hotel. Tabi lang to ng MRT station. And kagabi, dumating kami, nag-MRT kami from Taft Avenue, Baclaran, papunta dito ng North EDSA. Ang ticket namin, 25 pesos. 25? Yeah, 25 peso each. And ko talaga siya, pinaghagdanan ko para ma-experience niya. And kasi pinag-compare namin yung experience niya sa Thailand. Yung stairs doon, paano, hindi ba siya nahirapan. Sabi niya, wala daw siya naging problema doon sa Thailand. Dito daw kasi galing kasi kami sa kabila, like landmark, papunta dito sa kabila sa may hotel na namin. Puros, hagdanan. Wala siyang, walang elevator. So, alam mo naman, kasi, diba, PWD siya. So, hirap na hirap siya. As in, pagod na pagod siya. Sabi niya, hindi na daw ito mauulit. Ayaw niya na ma-experience ulit. Alam mo yun, pina-experience ko sa kanya para malaman niya kung paano, diba? So, ganun kahirap yung pagtawid, like, dalawang up and down, tapos babalik ka na naman sa kabilang, hagdanan, para tumawid ka dito sa kabila, kasi kaliwat kanan yung hagdanan, as in. So, ganun. So, sobrang napagod siya. And then, yun, check out na kami. Yung hotel na to ay 2,000 pesos. 2,000 pesos, right? Yeah. Yun, so, sobrang ganda. Nagagandahan ako, ang linis, so, sobrang thumbs up yung hotel na to as in. So, highly recommended. So, bagay ito sa mga mga nag-1 night lang. So, ang linis. Tapos yung sa baba, paglabas mo lang ng hotel ay 7-Eleven na. Tapos doon banda merong Uncle John. So, actually, nag-breakfast kami. Doon ko lang binili din sa 7-Eleven. So, bumili akong kape, tapos tinapay. So, yun. Tapos ngayon, mag-book lang kami ng grab car papuntang St. Luke's. Actually, 20 minutes lang. So, yun. Kaya pinili namin to kasi malapit lang din sa hospital na pupuntahan namin. So, yun. So, where are you?
I'm right here.
Ayun. Tapos, yun, i-share ko lang kasi meron silang dalawang baso. Wala ka talaga makikitang plastic dito kasi, daw yun rules daw yun ng ordinance daw yun ng city na bawal ang plastic. So, meron dalawang baso doon. So, paglabas mo ng hotel mo, meron doon, yung water dispenser. So, meron free water. So, mag-ano ka lang, gagamitin mo yung baso mo para kumuha ng tubig. So, yun. Free siya. And, sobrang safe. I mean, safe yung hotel na to. As in, bibigyan ka ng 2 card. So, halimbawa, kasi yung card, kailangan mo magdala. Halimbawa, ikaw naiwan ka dito sa hotel. Tapos, lalabas ka. Yung isa, dala-dala niya yung card. Kasi, yung card, kailangan nun sa elevator. Hindi ka makakapasok. I mean, kailangan mong itap yung card mo para umandar yung elevator. Kasi kung wala kang card, hindi andar yung elevator. Ganun yun. So, sobrang high-tech. Kailangan mong i-scan yung card na hawak-hawak mo kasi yun yung entrance mo. Parang ganun. So kung merong outsider dito, hindi talaga makakapasok. So, di ba? Sobrang high-tech na ngayon kasi dati walang ganun eh. Ngayon, lahat i-scan mo na kailangan may card ka para makapasok ka sa elevator. Di ba? Ang cute. So yeah, say hello.
Hello.
Ready na siya. Yun, nag-antay siya sa akin. Nandadako daw. Sige, bye! Update ko kayo later. That's Michael. Fall prevention.
What are you talking about?
What is that? A sticker. They put you a sticker. Maybe because you are PWD, that's why.
Oh yeah, I guess.
Okay. For St. Luke. Like Shopao, something. Hapchan.
That's how we got
Noodles.
spring roll. Yeah, that is hot.
At ang mark, ang mark na lang.
There's our receipt. Okay.
They're solid rubber.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
It's hard.